Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Anija Shingan. I'm your instructor for this course. Today we are going to discuss the next topic about the basic operators, print input output methods, and typecasting in a Python. In my previous video, I have taught about the basic data types used in Python. That is your numbers, integers, floats, and boolean. Today we are going to continue the journey, and if you did not watch the previous video, please you can check the link in the description box of the previous video, and don't hesitate to ask your questions, and you can contact me at contact@sciencedatascience.com, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share my video. Okay. Okay. So now we will start with the today first method, that is input method in used in Python. As we have discussed in previous videos how you can print the statement or dynamic values in Python. If you remember, I will give you a small recap. Okay. So here is the print, like one way was okay. So we were assigning the value like this, like first name, Eric. And then you were printing the value like this. Okay. So this is also very useful. But sometime you are building a program which require the user input. Not required your input, user input. So the user can enter the input from the system. For example, if you are building a calculator, so what do you want to do? You want the user to enter the value and they can calculate their like the functions or whatever calculations they want to do using your calculator, right? So in that case, you need to use the method print input method. And how you can use it, I will tell you. So first of all, we will write a command here, print input method. Don't forget to write a comment, okay? So here we will say num1, okay? Here we go, input. Then we will say enter your number, okay? And then you can print. If you remember, I also taught you in my previous video the format method, okay? So this is a format method. I'm going to use it again. We can say it number, sorry, or simply we can say num1. Okay, now this, and it is num1. Okay, now we will run it. Now you can see on the screen, it is asking from you input, enter your number. I will enter 2 here, and then again I will run this using my shift plus enter button, or you can also use this run button. Okay, here we go. So this is your first number, right? And the same way you can like write a second number, okay? But now, before moving ahead, I would like to discuss the most important method, typecasting, okay? And before typecasting means in Python, you can convert one data type to another data type, okay? Now what we want to do, we will first check the type of the num1. Can anybody guess what will be the type of num1? If you know, just type your answer in the comment box. Okay, I'm going to check it. Num1. Was it correct? Was your answer correct? Yes or no? Okay, maybe you were thinking it's an integer type. We can see you are entering the numbers, it will be integer type. But it is taking the string type because you are giving the input using the input method which contains the strings, the quotes, right? That's why it is showing the string data type. But so if I want to do any calculation with these numbers, I need to convert it into either integer or float. Okay. What I will do, I will convert these numbers into float. So I can use it for further for calculations So I can teach you the basic operators as well, like plus, minus, multiplication, and so on. Okay. So now we will come here. Now we can copy and paste this statement again, like this, and we can make it num2. Here we go. Okay. And just enter here 3. Okay. So this is 3. Now we will typecast these numbers. Okay. Float num1 is equals to sorry. Then we will write here float and then num1, and we can say float underscore num2 and float num2 as well. Okay. Now if you want, you can check the type again. Type float underscore num1. It's a float now, so you can apply the operators on this because we cannot apply any calculation on the string data type. It's it counted as a characters, right? I cannot subtract the character from character. I need a numbers. Okay, so that's why this is the very useful method. We call it typecasting. If you want to change your one data type to another, if you want, you can try at your end to convert it into integer as well. Okay, so the next thing is now we will talk about the basic operators in Python. So what are the basic operators in Python? This is plus, minus, division. Here your modulo. Where it is gone? Sorry about that. This is, and then exponential, right? And then you have a multiply, power of, right? So these are the various basic operators in Python. Okay, you have more than that. I'm talking about the most widely used operators in Python. Okay, I will share a link which will show you the most widely like the basic operator, so you can follow that as well. Okay, and now what we will do, we will now use these two numbers and apply the things on this. Okay, so we will type here first addition. Okay, I will do the float underscore num1 plus. So plus is the basic operator which we use to make an addition between two numbers. Okay. You can see in Python it's so easy, right? So you don't need to do any like things. It's a simple, you will say plus, right? And now you can print here. Again, we can use a format function. You can type here addition of two numbers is colon, and then you can see here addition. Okay, here we go. So 3 plus 2, 5, right? Now you can apply the next operator, which is called subtraction. Okay, so I will copy and paste. You can also do that. Subtraction, and we can change plus operator to minus operator, and we can say here subtraction. Okay, here we will change subtraction of two numbers. Okay, so this is -1 because your num1 value is 2. Okay, and you can enter any number, bigger number, and you can see, but this is the result, right? And now what we will do, we will do the division. Okay, so here we will do division. Now this division of two numbers, We can copy and this, and here we go. So this is a division. Now you can see it's showing very like the large number after decimal. Okay. But in Python, I will let you know there is a very good method. You can round off the digits. Okay. So you can use here, let's say it's a division. So we will copy division here. We can round division up to two numbers. Okay. And now you can print division. Okay, so this is very easy. You can see I did not use a print statement because it's an integer. I'm not printing any characters or string. So I did not use a print statement. That is fine for integer. Okay, now the next is you can try modulo. So we will come here with the modulo function. Just ignore my spelling mistake, okay? And here we go. And now we will print. So this is a modulo of these two numbers. And then you can try with this one, exponential. It's a 0, 0. Okay. And then we have a multiplication. We will copy this. Multiply. This is done. Sorry. So we will copy this and this. Here we go. Right? So this is a multiplication, and now you can try with the power of. Okay. I will write it down square. Okay. So this is 2. So it is not multiplication, it's a power of. Like if you are writing here 2, this is 2 raised to power 3. Okay. Instead of scale, you can use other thing. Here we go. Okay. So now square will not be the correct name for this one because we are multiplying 2 3 times. So here we can say power of. Okay. This is good. Okay. So this is you can see how you take the input from the user and it is calculating everything using the input of the user. So this is the biggest advantage of the basic operators, and it is widely used when you want to write a program like calculators, or you want to do some mathematical calculations. And in machine learning, it is also used many times. The operators, when you want to compare something, when you are writing the conditional statements, and when you are comparing something, categories or other things using data, so these things are very useful. The most widely used method is also the typecasting. Sometimes you need to convert the data into another data type. So whenever you are practicing this, practice it a lot. Okay, it will not take you too much time. Okay, and I'm very happy. I'm with you in this journey, and I will be with you in this journey, right? And I will teach you the more topics in the upcoming videos. Okay. Now it's a time of homework. Okay. So I have prepared a one like homework for you. So you can see here, we will convert into Markdown. So whenever you will download this notebook, okay, what you need to do, you need to like perform these three steps on your calculator. Okay. Everybody knows this is the basic formulas which we used to do in our school time. So this is, you can prepare the one calculator. Okay. So this is called write a program for financial calculator. Okay. Once you are done, you can send me the notebook. I will definitely I will definitely reply you. It may take time, but I will. Okay. And this is your homework. This is all about today's video, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon button, and see you in the next video. Happy learning, happy Python.